Hi Kirby fans, so today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to upgrade your bag fill tube to the F-style. So what we'll do is go straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So as I said, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change that fill tube to the F-style. And don't forget, anything I use in today's episode, there will be links in the description below, so make sure you check those out. So if you've got a Heritage 2 upwards to the G7, then you're going to have the old twist style. Now sometimes it can be a pain when you're actually trying to twist it and get it on and get it off. And I find the easiest way is just to switch the top to an F-style connector. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into it and see how you actually do it and how simple it is, and it makes life so much easier. So what we'll do is we'll go straight to it. Right, so what you're going to need for this conversion is obviously an F-style connector, and I will put a link in the description of where to actually buy these from. You're going to need a pair of snips and some shrink tape. Now on these older style connectors, the G4, I think the G5, maybe the G6, I'm not too sure, they had a shrink tape around there as well, which actually gave it a better seal. This G3 looks like it's still got the shrink tape on there. So what we're going to do is just snip off that cable tie. So unhook it, and we're just going to snip the cable tie off. Like so. As you can see, it has got a bit of shrink tape on there. Now all that's on these is exactly the same connection as what's on here, and it's basically like a thread. You just pull it out. So there you go. On that one there's a little smaller one, so there's some smaller ones, and it literally pulls out. So with your new one, you're literally going to push it in until it connects, like so. And then get your cable tight. So the shrink tape's still on there anyway. Just going to get our cable tie and put a cable tie around there. And you'll feel the hook bit, which is just there. So if you look, if we take it off again, you can see it's got a cable tie's literally got to go there. So whatever you do, make sure that goes above that. And that won't come off. There we go. Like so. Okay. So just make sure that cable tie is nice and tight, which it is, and then we snip that off. Now what I like to do is just wrap a bit of shrink tape around there as well, just in case. So it's entirely up to you whether you do. Now this will stretch, so you can see it stretches, and you can shrink it with a hairdryer. There we go. And we'll just cut that off with our snips, like so. And that should make sure it's extra sealed, so there's not going to be leaks. Now you can use a shrink tape as well if you've got little holes, so while you've got this off, you can check your hose for little holes, and I'll find the easiest way to do that is literally get a torch and just shine it down. So if you get a torch, put it in the end, and you can literally check for light escaping, and there isn't any. So you have to watch with these old connectors, they do split. If the bags have been overfilled, they do tend to split. I mean, for a G3 one, this one's pretty good. My G4 one had got a tiny little hole, which I had to change the fill tube on for that reason, but making it with the F-style makes it 10 times easier to actually fit the bag. And all we do is put our connector back through, put that through there, and that is one of those replaced. Obviously make sure you put a new bag in before you put it back on your Kirby. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was really informative, and it just shows you how simple and how easy it is to convert your Heritage 2 or your G series Kirby up to the G7 to the F-style connector, and it just makes life a lot easier putting those bags on with that F-style connector. Now don't forget, everything I used in this video today, there will be links in the description below, so make sure you check those out, and there are links to the Kirby merch. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.